7:55. I'd like to move the admission, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection.
All right, 345A in evidence. Thank you.
If you can play, Michelle, please.
I was going to pour you one.
I'm an alcoholic. You should.
I don't have any control over how much you drink. But you don't have any control over whether I tell you the truth or not. Have you changed lately? Yeah, you've changed.
Well, your truth is really interesting, too.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I'm the
All right,
first
give me a
person
glass
that's
of wine,
noticed.
please, so I can go downstairs.
Okay. Yes. You're escape route. I see.
Not escaping. I'll be back in 15
Oh,
minutes.
of course. 15 minutes, just like last time.
15.
Just like last time. When you, I had to pull you out of the bathroom. Well, didn't pull you out of the bathroom, but when you passed out naked in the bathroom in there.
Did you pull me out?
You tried to.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh, did you get inside?
It didn't get inside.
Well, how did you try to pull me
By
out?
pounding on the door and waking you up every 15 minutes and then falling asleep next to the door so I could hear you snore in case if you vomited, I could call EMS if you ever stopped snoring.
Because you're
Because if
afraid I was going to die.
I thought you would choke on your own vomit, which is very likely with you.
Really?
Yes. Very
But I
likely.
vomit a lot.
Yes.
What?
Yes, you do vomit a lot in your sleep. Even
Really?
oh, it's news to you? Then this is affecting you a lot more than I thought it was.
I'll be so good. I hope so.
What, you don't vomit a lot? Or you telling me that? Look me in the eye, tell me you don't vomit. Well, tell me you don't vomit a lot? You're always with me. Nice one that you try. Huh?
Please explain to the jury what the issue was in this particular tape recording.
Well, Johnny at the time was wanting to go and drink downstairs at a bar, and we were talking about 15 minutes because the last several times he had done that, it had been days. He'd disappear on a bender, get really sick, and you know the drill by now, having heard enough from me. So another issue that we were having at the time, or that he was having at the time, that affected me is that he would pass out and vomit. And vomited very, very regularly at this stage. He was obviously drinking again. I'd given up fighting with him on that at that stage. And what I had a habit of doing is turning him over onto his side so he doesn't choke on his own vomit. It's very common for people who do that to asphyxiate. At least that's what I understood. So the advice I got was to turn him to his side, put a pillow underneath his back, and turn his head so that he didn't asphyxiate. And one time I was doing that, and he swung at me, and I told medical. And the advice, after I got their advice, I realized I can't say what the advice was, but after I got that advice, I stopped doing that. I tried to, as much as I could, leave him and just be ready to call 911 or help if I heard him choking. And sometimes that happened behind bathroom doors.
Well, and that's going to take me to September 27, 2015. Again, Depp, that's Plaintiff's Exhibit 356A, and the recording is 3107 to 3230. I'm going to move the admission, Your Honor.
Any objection to that?
No objection.
All right, 356A in evidence.
Thank you, Your Honor. Michelle, thank you.
Lie!
And that you punched me in the
You're right.
fucking thing, and you
figured
in
it
the face,
out.
and you said, "No fucking, no, I didn't. What the fuck are you talking about?" And I
didn't
watched
punch
you lie, and then I
didn't punch you,
and
by
then
the way. I'm sorry that I didn't
You,
hit
punched
you
me.
across the face in a proper slap, but I was hitting you. It was not punching you. Babe, you're not punched.
Don't tell me what it feels like to be punched.
You've been a lot of fights, been around a long time. I know. Yeah.
No, when you fucking have a closed
You didn't
fist.
get punched. You got hit. I'm sorry I hit you like this. But I did not punch you. I did not fucking deck you. I fucking was hitting you.
You can't
I don't know
deck
what
me.
the motion of my actual hand was, but you're fine. I did not hurt you. I did not punch you. I was hitting you.
How are your toes?
What am I supposed to do? Do this?
How are your
I'm not
toes?
sitting here bitching about it, am I? You are.
Oh,
That's
you-
the difference
you
between
poor
me and
toes.
you. You're a fucking baby.
Because you start
You
physical
are
fights?
such a baby.
Because
Grow
you-
the fuck up.
Because you start
Johnny.
physical fights?
I did start a physical fight.
Yeah, you did, so I had to get the
Because-
fuck out of there.
Yes, you did. So you did the right thing, the big thing. You know what? You are admirable. Every single time. What's your excuse when there's not a physical fight? Then what's the excuse then? You're still being admirable, right? Just by running away.
Amber, please explain to the jury what's